Hello, in this video we will go over setting up a new Mac laptop or a fresh installation of Mac OS. We will need a stable internet connection via Wi-Fi or network cable in order for us to download the files, keyboard and mouse setup via Bluetooth or dongle. So when we first start up a new Mac laptop or a fresh installation, the first thing to look at is the display. So if you click on the system preferences and go to displays, by default it will be set to the first option. You can click on the scaled, and if you want more space you can click on this option and it will increase the resolution. Secondly, we'll look at the dock. The default dock is good, but we'll make changes to it to improve the usability. So we can position the dock by going to the dock preferences, and we can make it left, so it will be aligned to the left side. And then we can adjust the size of the dock by minimizing the size. And you can just remove unwanted items in the dock by right clicking on the item and then saying remove from dock. So let me remove Siri, Launchpad. Let's keep Safari for now. I will remove mail, contacts, calendar. Let's have notes for now. I'm going to remove reminders. I don't need maps, photos as well. Remove messages, remove FaceTime, remove iTunes, remove App Store, remove system preferences as well, because we can always click on the Mac icon and go to the preferences from there. Okay, so from here on we'll be installing more apps and pinning it to the dock. If you want more of such videos, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like and a comment. Thank you.